Muscogee, and we have a severe thunderstorm with dust moving into Tornado Alley, Texas. The wind is really kicking up over here, and you can see all the dust in there. Thought I'd catch this because it's rolling in. It just rolled in just a few minutes ago, and it's got a lot of wind in it, and you can see the dust in it. Pan around this way. This will get a better shot. That's a shot right there from down the street, leading to the poor farm, and it's just got a lot of dirt. There's a lot of dirt in this storm. You can see it right there above them trees. You can see that dust just flying. Oops, got something going on. Ooh, yeah. Check this out. I'll tell you what, that wind is really getting up down here. Haven't got any rain yet. But it is really blowing. This dust here is really blowing. Thing with living down here in West Texas, we get these dust storms all the time, so this is no big deal. It's nothing really, it's just a bunch of dirt in there. You can see all this dirt. This is going to move out, and then we'll have a thunderstorm. I already know how this goes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go inside, and when the thunderstorm hits, I'll be back out. This is Scoggett. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there, and y'all take care.